Swara and welcome to my YouTube channel Swara's Life. And I'm so excited to make this video because I'm going to be making Alphabetical Slime Challenge. And please guys, don't judge me because I don't have lots of things. Most of the letters are missing. So I maybe will do part 2. So if you want me to do part 2, comments down below. And before we get started to this video, make sure to give a thumbs up to my channel. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you're new. Now, let's get started. So guys, this over here is my list. So A starts from activator. So I don't have activator, like I do have activator, but I only have Tide and I ran out of activator. So don't judge me again, please. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. I have this cup over here. I think that's it. I'm gonna put this when letter T comes in. So B starts from baking soda, and I'm just gonna put a little bit because I don't know the reaction of putting like baking soda. Oh my gosh, it's a lot. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, that's it. Now I am going to just from dish soap. I have this Dawn dish soap. I'm just gonna put it a little bit. It looks like Tide, but it isn't Tide. I tell you guys, it isn't Tide. I think that's it. You know, there's like the white thingy when you put, you know, this Tide and dish soap. Okay. So guys, I'm directly gonna be jumping on E now. Yes, on E. So I have this Elmer's glue. This is a washable color glue. It's pink and it says new, great for slime. So I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, I'm just gonna dump it in. So guys, now I'm gonna be jumping on letter G. So I have 2 things for letter G. So first I'm gonna be putting different glue, my slime clear glue. Oh my gosh, this is hard for removing. It's really, I don't know how to put. I'm just gonna put a little bit. I think that's. So guys, the letter is again G, so it's glitter. I have this glitter. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I don't like my slime being a lot glittery. I think that's it. And I use this mostly for my crafts or art. So yes, this is really important to me. So guys, I'm going to be jumping to letter L now, and it starts from lotion. I love this lotion a lot, so I'm just going to put this over here. I'm just going to, it's not coming anymore because, you know, it just finished. So oh my gosh, it just, it's not coming out. Come out. Oh my gosh. So guys, my lotion just came out a little bit. So yes, so I'm gonna jump on letter P and I'm gonna put a little bit, only a little bit of paint. You know guys, I'm really good at art. So I think I'm just gonna put, how much? Oh, that's it, that's it, that's it. Okay. So now I'm gonna jump on letter R, which is random ingredient. Yes, I finally got to put something. I'm gonna be putting what should I put? I'm just gonna put a little bit of dish soap because I have listened that when you put dish soap, it's like you know, it is really a foamy slime, and I've never seen a foamy slime. So yes. Now, so guys, now I'm gonna jumping on letter T. You know guys, it's Tide. I told you, it's Tide. So, you know, I'm just gonna dump it. I don't want to make a purple slime. I don't like purple. I mean, I do like purple, but my most slimes are purple, so I don't like it. Now, I'm gonna be jumping on letter W, which is, of course, going to be water. I have this nice juggy thingy. I'm just gonna put a little, oops. Okay, that's it. Yes, that's it. So now it's time to mix my slime, and let me see how it's gonna be turning out. Oh my gosh, it is being so sticky. Oh my gosh. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be mixing, and I'll see you when I'm done with my slime. So guys, after mixing my slime, it turned out nice pink. It's kind of like a hot pink, and you know guys, it looks so pretty. I really love it, and oh my god, that feels so good. It's really a good slime. It stretches and it's really pokey. And yeah, this was my slime reveal. So it's so pretty. I really love it because you know it has tiny bit of glitter, which when it comes into light it's like shines, and it has like a pink color, which is my favorite color, and it's so stretchy. See how stretchy it is? I mean, yes, it is stretchy, and of course it's pokey. So yes, I hope you like my alphabetical slime video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and of course give a like to my channel. I will see you on my next video. Bye.